Hello everyone, welcome back to our Festival Days series. I know we are a couple of days late with day 9, but I'm so glad to be back with you. Let's jump right into today's celebrations. Question 1. Which ancient text first mentioned the festival of Vijayadashami? A. Mahabharata, B. Ramayana, C. Kalika Purana, or D. Markandeya Purana? The correct option is C. Kalika Purana. Question 2. Which city's Dussehra celebration is known for its century-old fair and effigy burning? A. Varanasi, B. Delhi, C. Kota, or D. Ayodhya? The correct option is C. Kota. Question 3. Whose idol is worshipped on Dussehra in some parts of Maharashtra instead of burning Ravana? A. Lord Ganesha, B. Lord Rama, C. Goddess Durga, or D. Lord Vishnu? The correct option is C. Goddess Durga. Question 4. The 10 heads of Ravana symbolize what? A. 10 kings, B. 10 forms of evil or human vices, C. 10 types of knowledge, or D. 10 gods he defeated? The correct option is B. 10 forms of evil or human vices. Question 5. What is the color traditionally worn on Dussehra? A. Red, B. Yellow, C. White, or D. Green? The correct option is B. Yellow. Question 6. In Ramayana, who performed Ravana's last rites? A. Vibhishana, B. Rama, C. Hanuman, or D. Lakshmana? The correct option is A. Vibhishana. Question 7. The Ram Leela in Varanasi is most famously held at which place? A. Dashaswamedh Ghat, B. Ramnagar, C. Assi Ghat, or D. Kashi Vishwanath Temple? The correct option is B. Ramnagar. Question 8. What offering is traditionally exchanged on Dussehra in Maharashtra for prosperity? A. Betel leaves, B. Amla, C. Apta leaves, symbolic gold, or D. Sweets? The correct option is C. Apta leaves. Question 6. Which famous king was believed to worship goddess Durga on Dussehra before going to war? A. King Ashoka, B. King Vikramaditya, C. Emperor Akbar, or D. King Chola? The correct option is B. King Vikramaditya. Question 10. Dussehra coincides with which agricultural season in India? A. Kharif harvest, B. Rabi sowing, C. Spring harvest, or D. Summer season? The correct option is A. Kharif harvest. Question 11. How long does the Mysore Dussehra festival typically last? A. 5 days, B. 7 days, C. 10 days, or D. 12 days? The correct option is C. 10 days. Question 12. Which city's Ram Leela is recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage? A. Ayodhya, B. Delhi, C. Ramnagar, or D. Jaipur? The correct option is C. Ramnagar. Question 13. Who is believed to have first introduced Ram Leela plays in North India? A. Tulsidas, B. Kabir, C. Surdas, or D. Valmiki? The correct option is A. Tulsidas. Question 14. What do people of Himachal Pradesh burn on Dussehra instead of Ravana's effigy? A. Paper effigies of demons. B. Local wooden idols. C. No effigy burning, idols are immersed. Or D. Demons from Mahishasura legend. The correct option is C. No effigy burning, idols are immersed. Question 15. Who was the father of Ravana? A. Pulastya, B. Vishrava, C. Marichi, or D. Kashyapa? The correct option is B. Vishrava. That's all for day 9. Thank you for waiting and continuing the festive journey with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We have got more festival stories coming your way.